Hey guys, today I will try to pick this American lock, full brass, one of the older ones. Works nicely. I love the full brass. And we have a bidding, if we can get focus on. Come on. There we go. That's the bidding. Not too good, not too bad either. And I will try to pick it in the vise. And zoom in a bit. And I like to have a bottom of the keyway right down there, so I don't fall all the way down with my pick. And a 50 thousandths top of the keyway. And a 23 thousandths of an inch shot hook from Dangerfield. Click on 1, click on 2, small, click on 3, nothing on 4, nothing on 5, click on 1, nothing on 2, click on 3, small, click on 4, nothing on 5, nothing on 1, nothing on 2, nothing on 3, click on 4, click on 5, nothing on 1, nothing on 2, nothing on 3, some clicks on 4, nothing on 5, nothing on 1, nothing on 2, click on 3, get on the 4, gotta click there, nothing on 5, nothing on 1, 2, click on 3, 4, and we open. So that's a fun lock to pick and not easy. I will say that. I have had this for maybe 2 months. I'm actually not too sure, but I think it's about 2 months, and this is only the 4th time I've been able to pick it. And last time I picked this is over a week ago, and I only picked it once, so I don't remember the bidding. Or how to pick it. So that was fun. Now this is going to my collection on my padlock rack, and it's some time ago we took a look at it, so I think we will do that right now. Alright, lift up the camera. It's some time ago you have seen it. Put the padlock on there. So it's grown, it's almost filled up. Well, of course I can have more than one lock on these, but for now it's only one per spacing on there, and then we start to fill up the rest. So I only have two locks here, and all of these, I think it's about 12 locks or something like that I need to get up there to fill it. I fill each spacing, place, whatever you want to call it. So that was a fun pick. Thank you for watching. Remember, skill always beats luck, and have a great day.